build highways, erect buildings, span bridges, help to maintain the vital infrastructure of America. It's all part of the job as an operating engineer.
I like heavy equipment operation because it's a great career.
I wanted to become an operating engineer because it's a career with a future.
And I really enjoy the people that I work with.
Pave your future with top pay, outstanding benefits, a secure future, and job satisfaction worth writing home about.
Answer honestly.
Pretty good money.
Good annual income.
I like who I work with.
Typically pay you better than some jobs after you went to school for 4 years.
Good pay.
And I like the money.
Get on the fast track to an incredible career as a graduate of the IUOE Local 701 and Associated General Contractors Apprenticeship Program.
I decided to be an operating apprentice because it gives me a good sense of getting something accomplished.
Becoming a part of the IUOE through the apprenticeship program aligns you with a strong, diverse organization of men and women working as heavy equipment operators, mechanics, and technical engineers.
The skills that we learn at the training center are the skills that we take out on the job, and the journeymen help us perfect it.
Teamwork is extremely important. If we don't all work together, then the job falls apart.
Since 1896, the IUOE has built on its apprenticeship and training programs to ensure our members are the best qualified for the job at hand.
Local 701 turns out some well-trained people. The apprenticeship program has been a great benefit to main consultants.
You're in good company with IUOE members both on the job and in the classroom.
If there's only one thing that the apprentice gets out of the training here, it's to do the job safely.
I found that working with a journeyman is really being part of a team, and teamwork is how you get things done in this industry.
Employment opportunities include highway construction and repair, building construction, quarrying, and more. You'll work from the high prairie to the high rise and everywhere in between. The IUOE Local 701 and AGC Apprenticeship Program can prepare you for the many challenging heavy equipment disciplines, including the operation of loaders, bulldozers, backhoes, excavators, graders, cranes, rollers, paving equipment, dredges, hoists, and more.
Well, I chose mechanics as my field of trade because I enjoyed working as a kid with heavy equipment. I grew up around farming and logging, and I knew it was fairly steady work and made pretty good money at it. And I like working outdoors and working with tools. I just like big equipment.
Or learn the art of technical engineering, using lasers, stakes, grades, and GPS navigational systems to carefully plan and lay out construction sites. You'll learn the advanced mathematics needed for this type of job, which helps to prepare construction sites for the heavy earth moving that is required of the equipment operators.
We make sure we train to industry standards.
If you prefer, you can learn to repair and maintain the massive machinery that moves the earth. Mechanics who graduate from our program learn all of the vital aspects of heavy equipment maintenance and repair, from simple lube jobs to total equipment rebuilds. You'll get the opportunity to work in some of the region's nicest and most challenging conditions imaginable. You'll work primarily outdoors in all kinds of weather. You'll enjoy the challenges of getting the job done, regardless of what Mother Nature throws at you. And you'll be able to find satisfaction and a complete sense of pride in the accomplishments you achieve.
What I learned in the apprenticeship program. I really love what I do.
The length of your employment assignments will be affected by seasonal changes, the economy, and the scope and duration of the project undertaken. You'll enjoy incredibly exciting opportunities to travel all over the region to see and experience many different destinations and communities.
Once you've been trained, you can go anywhere you want. There's all kinds of jobs every state.
Overtime will be required during peak periods at most work sites, as construction hours are dictated by project needs.
We expect the apprentices, when they come to us, to be very flexible. Our hours are pretty wild at times. We expect them to move a machine at a moment's notice.
The IUOE apprenticeship programs are exciting pathways to a rewarding career. It's learning you can bank on. Earn while you learn. It's the IUOE way.
You earn while you learn in this industry, where somewhere else you go and put the time in to get educated and prepared, and then you start to earn.
Throughout the apprenticeship program, you will be paid to work side by side with skilled journey-level operating engineers.
It's great.
Working with journeymen on the job, I get a chance to learn not only how to read plans, but how to figure out a problem out in the field without necessarily having a book.
Equipment apprentices receive 8,000 hours of on-the-job training, while mechanics and technical engineers receive 6,000 hours of on-the-job training.
Well, the employer wants a workforce that is prepared to work in the industry today.
On-the-job training is the front line of an apprenticeship program with the IUOE. It is enhanced with a required 160 hours of instructor-led study each year and includes both classroom instruction and field training. You'll earn while you learn and enjoy steady pay increases based on time in the program, your performance, and your skill level.
What makes us, I believe, successful in what we do is training to a single set of standards, the caliber of instructors that we have on staff, and the equipment that we use throughout the training.
Tremendous emphasis on the job and at the Eugene Training Center is placed on safety and health, using common sense, guided by rules, regulations, and laws.
What I strive to teach all students, confidence in their skills and safe operations.
After graduation, you will have many opportunities for advancement. Journey Upgrade and Advanced Training are offered to keep you up to speed on technological advances and industry changes.
It's been a great benefit for me to go through the Journeyman Upgrade training. I'm currently employed through Continental Crane as a direct result of going through that training.
A commitment to advanced training is the road to greater long-term employability, industry advancement, and higher wages. Applications are open to anyone with a drive and motivation to succeed.
The successful applicant must demonstrate the desire to learn and develop skills to meet the high expectations of the industry.
Who is at least 18 years of age, with a high school diploma or its equivalent, GED.
They will evaluate your application and score it according to specific guidelines.
And a solid understanding of math skills and communication skills.
In addition to basic qualifications, points are given for educational achievement and industry-related training and experience.
Counseling is available to help you prepare for the application process. Apprentice programs are open for application at specific times. Check with the Eugene Training Center for additional information.
As a contractor looking at apprentices,
The most important thing we look for in an apprentice,
conscientious,
a good attitude, someone that can work with people, someone that's willing to learn,
goals of enhancing the industry,
and enjoys what they do.
IUOE members are highly skilled, motivated learners and competitive professionals. They are on time, safe, and always maintain the ultimate respect for supervisors and co-workers alike. They know their reputation counts and will precede them from job to job.
Whether it's on the job or in training, professionalism is what we're taught.
Successful apprentice applicants know that through hard work, smart work, and safe work, they can build a lifelong career full of financial and personal rewards. And it all starts with the IUOE Local 701 and AGC Apprenticeship Program.